What's up, YouTubers? How's everybody going? I've got the beater Lexus here today. Yes, and all of its glory. This, as you know, is my favorite Lexus. The one with the busted bumper and the scratched up dented side. Tomorrow's my grandmother's birthday, and my aunt came down to plant flowers. So, gives me a chance to grab her car to go for a little UpDaTe ride. So let's do that. Let's start her up. The steering wheel turned correctly. Oh, like velveteen rabbit. Oh, I guess I should show kind of how this car lives. It's part car and part truck. Bless her heart. She got a couple of grandkids. As you can tell, they have their way with the car. Hey, little Lemby. We got, swords and broomsticks and who knows what else. I wonder what's in the trunk of this thing. There ain't no damn telling. Let's see. Trunk. Yep. Part truck, part car. If you've watched any of my previous videos on the ES350, you all know that this is my favorite Lexus. It's so easy to drive. It's got so much power. I mean, I know advertised these cars were, I think, 268 horsepower or 272, but I swear it feels like it's 368. These things are so smooth and powerful. And the front wheel drive just, I mean, even to have that much power, they handle it so well. We're sitting on 171,203. I can't remember where we were at last time we took a little ride in this car. It seemed like we had turned 170. But that was before the COVID-19 outbreak, and I know my aunt has been sheltering in place. But until today, coming down, like I said, tomorrow's the grandmother's birthday. I believe she's 88. So my aunt came down to do some gardening for her. And yeah, so since she was down here, it always just gives me, that's a good looking ES. That's about an 18 or 19 right there. So that gives me a minute to take a little quick drive in the old beater Lexus. Damn good car. I'm going to buy one of these for me. I am going to buy one for me. This is the best freaking car. But what do? Oh, I just go buy another old Mercedes and work on it all the time. That's what the hell I'm a sucker for. You can just get the old Mercedes W210, the old 320s and the E430s. Get them so cheap. I've been on a couple of them at auction. I mean, one had a Carfax with 60 service records on it. It had 199,000 miles. It was a silver E430. And it sold for $1,050. I bid it up to $900. If I knew it, I should have bid one more time or two more times, because I paid $1,200 for my white one, and it was definitely worth measly $1,000 freaking bucks. It was a 3-owner, no accidents, had Michelin tires, almost new ones on it, and 60 service work, all done at the Mercedes dealership, from new all the way to 200,000 miles. That's phenomenal. I should have bought that car. Just fucking stupid for not buying that car. But anyway, we're talking about the Lexus. I believe this is the Copart. Let's see. Copart. Yeah, that's it. The blue sign right there, Copart. This is where the Goon Squad orange time attack Viper came from. Man, they're closed. Oh, they're probably just closed, period, due to our COVID-19 situation. Okay. Oh well. No picking up out here at Copart today. But yeah, this is where their orange time attack Viper came from. Just down the road from me here at the good old Cartersville, Georgia Copart. I've been out there and done a couple of walk-arounds. They got a good, they hold a fair amount of cars there. About as many as you see in Randy Shear on the Auto Auction Rebuilds. You see in his Copart walk-arounds. I know he said he can't do the walk-arounds out there anymore. I don't know what the heck happened, but that sucks. I always enjoy watching those. If you're a fan of electricity, there's the Georgia Power nuclear power plant. Brings us our energy here in the Georgia area. See the big cooling towers there. That's the only one around down here that I know of. On the cows. Hope we're not eating those cows. Probably are. The cows with cancer. All right, let's get us a little pull on this thing. Out here on this little freeway, get us a little pull to 70, at least 60, maybe 70. I don't want to be caught speeding out here too bad. Did I say this car was smooth? Holy cow. I mean, it just hauls ass. Just hauls ass. I mean, there's no other way to put it. Damn, that place is big. Yeah, this car simply hauls butt. I'll set the cruise. Set it on a reasonable speed so I don't get arrested. In this 55 zone, we'll set it on about 65 there. get this thing supercharged. Sorry that was so buzzy, but I was having to hang on to the steering wheel with both hands. It does have a little torque steer, but it's not terrible. Anyway, y'all have a good one. We will see y'all. Whoa, dips in the road. We will see y'all next time. Hope y'all are staying safe, healthy, social distancing, people. Social distancing. Praying for all you guys. Everybody take care. We'll see you next time. Peace.